Okay, it's about to rain already, so I'll go a little bit fast for you. Introducing the Bucaneer 250i fuel injection, and currently now it comes with ABS system, new line of manifold or piping baru, and then ada rear bar and mirror, and it comes in two colors, the Nado Grey and also the matte green. Okay guys, so basically I nak kasih dengar you guys the bunyi also. So jom, let's hear the sound of the bike. Kasih dekat sikit my mic so you guys 3, 2. I think it's about time for me to test the bike out. Helmet please.